Hey guys, so I'm just leaving Turtle Bay right now. No sea turtles in the water, not too many fish, and it wasn't the best place to snorkel. But the property is nice. Palm trees everywhere. Looks like a nice hotel, restaurant, but just no sea turtles. So I'm gonna go to another beach called Lanikai Beach, where it's the #1 rated beach where the turtles go. I don't know if I'm gonna find any turtles, but I'm gonna try there. Then I'm gonna hit the Bonsai Pipeline, which is where like all the famous surfers go, huge waves. And then we're gonna go from there. But it's still a nice day. Let's go. Guys, I just got to Sharks. What is it called? Sharks Cove. It's saying it's a pretty good snorkel spot, and scuba diving spot, and like little coves and tide pools. So hopefully we can find some cool little fish. Maybe we can find some sea turtles. It's really clear. The water's really clear. But yeah, just got down here. Let's go take a swim. So I'm leaving Sharks Cove. Right across the street, we got some tacos, fish tacos. About to get some of that because I'm starving. I haven't ate or drank since this morning. Check this out, guys. There's a rainbow right here. Can you see it? Just got me some chicken tacos at North Shore's Tacos. Guys, right now I'm driving. I'm headed back toward Honolulu, but first I'm gonna make a pit stop on the eastern side of Oahu, which I think is called like the windward side because they get the most wind. But the windward side, east side of Oahu is there's a sand. I think it's called Keoli or something like that. Sandbar. It's a huge sandbar in the middle of the ocean, where people like you can dock your boats there and anchor your boats and stuff. And people like just chill there. It's like a beach inside of the ocean. So it's a huge sandbar. So I'm gonna check that out. And then I think I'm gonna be pretty much wrapping up today and going back to the hotel. So we'll see. I'll see. There's just a bunch of places that you can just stop and explore. But that's all I've been doing today is exploring the North Shore. So let's head there near Kailua or Kuola, where they filmed Jurassic Park, and it's gonna take me about an hour. And in Hawaii, it rains like every single day. I thought it was called the Rainbow State, but their license plates are rainbows. But anyways, it just keeps raining off and on for like 20 minutes. It'll get sunny, then it'll start pouring, then get sunny, just over and over and over. So it's kind of gloomy right now. But let me get to the east coast. Back at the hotel. Today was a fun day on the North Shore. The North Shore is definitely the best part of Oahu. So if you ever come to Oahu, definitely make sure you go to the North Shore. I know Honolulu is like, and Waikiki is like the tourist part, the main part, but if you can't stay in the North Shore, definitely rent a car or take public transportation and venture out, because it's really nice. It's like your typical Hawaiian vibe, unlike here, it's like the city, it's like another city. It's like another vacation city. So definitely venture out to Oahu. There's better beaches up there. It's more your Hawaiian vibe. This is really cool up there, and a lot nicer. I thought Sharks Cove was really cool. Let me know what you thought about it. The drone footage and the GoPro footage. I got that new like underwater dome thing for snorkeling and for taking pictures underwater. So let me know what you thought about that also. Follow me on Instagram for all my pictures that I'm taking here. I got some pretty good pictures. And all in all, let me know what you thought about the video. Please, guys, give the video a thumbs up. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more videos. We're leaving tomorrow morning, and I will see you. I wonder if people actually swim at night here. I wonder if people swim here at night. There's one guy shining a flashlight down there, but you can't really see anybody in the water. Probably not. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. This is the life of Mikey. Peace.